All right, let's jump right in. Welcome to this explainer. If you've been working with custom apparel or personalized merch for any length of time, you already know that efficiency and reliability are absolutely everything. Today, we're taking a closer look at this seriously versatile multifunction heat press. We'll examine its modular system and really dig into how it's designed to be the absolute central engine of your whole creative setup. Let's get to it. This system is literally built to handle whatever you throw at it, from custom t-shirts and shorts to personalized ceramic mugs, tailored hats, and even decorative plates. This one single hub acts as your entire merch factory. Instead of having 5 clunky, separate machines eating up all your precious counter space, this central unit uses precision-engineered attachments to seamlessly pivot from an apparel run straight into custom drinkware in just moments. It's a total game changer. Section 1. Smart and safe ergonomics, rethinking the press. Now, a super common frustration with traditional clamshell-style presses is having to work directly underneath this hovering, scorching hot plate. You know the feeling, right? It causes fatigue and, honestly, a little bit of anxiety. Well, the crucial design choice here is giving you a full 360 degrees of clearance. This freedom of movement completely changes how you interact with your workspace because you literally never have to reach underneath an active heating element while you work. So how does it actually do that? The physical mechanics use a super smooth swing-away rotating panel. You just grab the handle and pivot that entire top heating element completely out of your way. And working right alongside that swing mechanism is the large blue up and down height adjustment knob right there on the central column. This makes it incredibly easy to fit thicker items like chunky sweatshirts or ceramic tiles while still being able to swing those hot elements safely away during your prep. But this brings up a really important question for your day-to-day workflow. Even with a swing-away top, how do we absolutely 100% ensure we prevent accidental burns when we're actively loading our garments or smoothing out transfer paper? Because the goal here isn't just to minimize the risk, it's to eliminate it entirely. The solution is actually brilliant. It's a pullable slide table. Instead of leaning awkwardly over the base of the machine to adjust a shirt, the bottom platen is mounted directly onto smooth metal rails so you can pull the entire work table right out to you. This brings your layout process into a nice, safe, cooler zone, completely preventing any accidental scalding. You just align your materials perfectly in that cool zone, push the table back in, swing the heat plate over, and press. It's a massive upgrade for both safety and precision. Section 2. High-efficiency heating technology. Because let's be real, safety and ergonomics are only half the equation. If a press doesn't deliver consistent, powerful heat, your transfers simply aren't going to last. This system relies on 2 vital halves working perfectly together. Up top, you have a highly efficient anti-corrosion heating plate where the built-in coils flawlessly distribute thermal energy. And down below is your protective foundation, a double heat-resistant setup featuring dual layers of thick silicone foam. So you get active, powerful heat generation above, paired with resilient heat-absorbing support right below. That top plate is engineered to heat up quickly and, most importantly, evenly. Now, why does that matter so much? Well, if you work with sublimation or HTV, you know that a drop in temperature in just one tiny corner, a cold spot, means the design won't adhere right. You get peeling, you get fading, and you end up ruining perfectly good materials. This rapid, even heating guarantees a flawless, vibrant transfer from edge to edge every single time you lock that handle down. And to balance out all that intense, even heat from the top, those bottom silicone foam mats are built incredibly tough. They can withstand up to a blistering 750 degrees Fahrenheit. The absolute key factor here is that they handle those extreme temperatures without warping. As you apply heavy pressure repeatedly over time, that bottom surface stays perfectly flat, which means your pressure is always totally uniform across your entire design. Section 3. Modular creative attachments. All right, so with safety and core heating completely locked down, let's look at the modular accessories that truly unlock your creative freedom. The main unit actually has a remarkably compact footprint, just 19 inches high, 15 inches wide, and 12 inches deep. This acts as the brains, the power, and the control center for a whole suite of swappable attachments that sit right alongside it. It's essentially a plug-and-play system for creating completely different products without eating up your entire workbench. Depending on whatever your project demands are for the day, you can seamlessly swap out the main flat press and connect either a 5-inch or 6-inch circular plate attachment for custom ceramics.
Or you can pop on the 5.5 by 3-inch hat press that's specifically contoured for the curve of a cap. You can even plug in the dedicated 11-ounce mug press, which wraps heat entirely around your cylindrical items. And the best part? Each attachment uses the main unit's exact digital temperature and timer controls, so you get perfect consistency across the board.
So we've broken down the 360-degree safety mechanics, that ingenious slide-out table, the even heating tech, and the whole modular setup. Knowing you've got consistent, professional-grade manufacturing capabilities right at your fingertips, packed into a tiny 19 by 15-inch footprint, what specific piece of custom merchandise are you going to create first? Think about the endless possibilities, and I'll see you in the next explainer.